I need to go and buy something. Hey, hold on. Why are you rushing to?
You can't believe what I just saw.
About what?
Hey!
What did you see?
What a tuamukundum.
Hey! Man, let me think. I'm going to get something on the shop.
I have good news for you, my friend.
Okay, I'm listening.
What I've just saw today, you can't believe it.
Really?
A very nice ship with a Coca-Cola body and fantastic walk leg.
Hold on. What do you mean?
Hold on.
Hold on. You said you met a lady with a big ass. Oh my God!
I tell you what you like. I swear you will like it.
Are you sure?
You will like. It's a type you like. That's why I ran to inform you.
Hold on. Let's go. Where is she?
At my working place. Let's go.
Let's go.
I saw her at my working place.
Are you sure?
I tell you.
Come on.
A very huge one.
Where is she?
Like hippopotamus. Let's go.
Hold on. Hey, are you sure?
I tell you.
Oh, then I'm going to love it. Wow.
Yeah.
What did she pass?
She passed here.
Are you sure? Let's go. I'm going to love it. That's my choice. Wow. That's my choice.
Like hippopotamus.
Are you sure?
I tell you.
I'm happy. I'm happy to see my face. Oh, wow, nice. I can't wait to see this girl. Wow, that's so lovely. That's so lovely. Oh, wait, take your time, man. Take your time. Where is she? Oh, God. Oh, I'm going to be so happy to see my face. Wow, she has a big ass. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I will love it. I will love it. Oh, I'm even getting tired. Where did she pass? My friend, where did she pass? Where? Talk to me now. I can't wait to see her.
I think she passed.
She passed where? Talk to me.
Left, right, left.
Oh my God. Where did she pass?
But she was walking around this.
Where?
She was heading towards this place, and
so I can't see my face. I can't find a girl that you said. I mean, she has a big ass. Man.
The girl was looking so gorgeous.
And what happened?
The girl was.
I mean, we can't even see her. We can't even see her. Why is she?
A very shapeful, Coca-Cola-stic, fantastic.
Oh my God. Stop talking. Where is she?
Maybe
I'm talking to where is she?
Maybe
She has done what?
I don't know where she has passed.
God.
Maybe God.
Oh, damn.
Maybe she's going to fetch water.
She's going to do what? So you're just trying to play around me or what?
No.
I like big ass or what?
I know. But the thing is, hey, that girl was very nice. I tell you.
Stop saying that girl was very nice.
She has a very dark skin.
Oh my God. Talk to me.
Like
if
that,
I don't see this girl, trust me.
Please calm down.
I'm gonna fight you.
No, calm down.
Why do you come to?
We are going to fight here. Let's stay here for about 24 hours.
I can't.
You will see.
I don't have that time. Don't play with my feelings. Let me tell you, man. If you try to play with my feelings, I'm gonna cut your head off.
No. Relax, my brother. You know I know what you like.
And what happened?
That's why I want change the oracle comes to you. And you have to calm down. Let's stay here for about 24 hours.
You know what?
We will see her.
You know what? I don't have any time for you. Since I didn't see the type of girl that I want, I don't have much time for you. You want to play with me.
You have to be patient. Don't rush like that. You have to calm down. We will find her.
Because I'm loving it.
I know you like big
ash.
I know you like big ash. But the thing is, let's wait here. We will eat here, sit here, sleep here. 24 hours. We will see her.
Let me tell
Just
you,
relax.
I don't have time for you. I can't wait here and eat here and sleep here because of, although I love big ass, but you trying to play with my feelings, so I don't have time. I'm leaving. I'm going. Next time, don't come and call me. Do you hear me? You stay away from me. I'm going.
Oh, Chairman, brother.
Hey, don't call me. If you try to call me, I'm going to hit you. I'm going to hit you.
Oh, Bema.
You want to play with my feelings?
Please relax.
Hey, don't call me. I said don't call me. No. What do you want to do?
You told me you want Ash.
Listen.
And I follow Ash. Come call you. Say come and see Ash. It's because of today that you didn't see the Nash. And you are blacking over me.
Let me tell you. Don't come and play with my feelings again. I hate that nonsense from you. Hey. Let me tell you. Look at the distance where I've been running to this place.
Forget about your distance, my friend.
Shit. Come on.
Forget about your distance. You know how many
I'm done with
I've
you.
been running to?
Don't come and call me again. Okay? I'm done with you. I don't need any playing game with you again.
No problem. You can go.
Leave me.
Okay, you can go.
Yeah, I'm going.
So I'll be a fool man.
Of course.
That following your feelings, chasing your dream for you. You now call me a fool. No problem. No hello. No shake. Hey, so this guy has disgraced me. No problem.